So on my pickup in front of my son's house, I'm here to pick up my motorcycle. I got a flat yesterday. It's like 6 flat in about 200 miles, and it's just ridiculous. I don't know why I keep getting flats, but it sucks. Anyway, I'm gonna load my pickup in my bike in my pickup, and Paul's gonna help me. Aren't you hot?
No, I'm alright.
Come on, let's go.
Alright.
Seems like you'd be hot.
It's kind of weird in the morning usually.
Yeah, so I don't know what getting 2 flats and I don't know what getting 2 flats and 200 or 6 flats and 200 miles means, but I know it sucks. I'm not able to ride my bike. It doesn't feel like I can drive it anywhere. But I don't know if I'm supposed to sell it or what. Like, who knows? If the universe is telling me I better get rid of this thing because I'm gonna crash and die on it. I don't know. I hope not. I like riding it. Mission accomplished. Got my bike home.